What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be playing OBBY, but I am a bird and I have my friends Asher and Oliver here. I'm going to tell them I started recording. I am literally a bird. I am in this OBBY. I am a bird. Okay, so, alright. Here we go. How do we get up there? Can I jump on this? Can I jump on? Wait, I see. I see now. Alright. No, is that the way? Is that the way? No, dude, how do you get there? Alright. How do we get up there? Maybe. Oh. Oh, I see. I'm such an idiot. No, no! I died. Gosh darn it. Wait, do you not get a checkpoint? Good luck, I believe in you. I think there might be another way. No. It's this? I'm so bad at this game. Alright, I made it. Where did they go? I'm gonna tell you all of you guys are in a YouTube video. No. Ah. Okay. Good. They're all so excited to be in the video. I gotta go up here first. Then here. This is kind of hard, I'm not gonna lie. I had my mouse on the monitor, that's why I wasn't moving. Crap. Oh, you could just do that? Oh, I thought I had to. Okay. I thought I had to go closer to it. This house right here. That's cool. What's. I'm 6 meters or miles up. Are we going the wrong way? Where do we go? I think we go this way. We somehow. That guy somehow you. Someone just make a jump. I'll make the jump. Fine. Yes, let's go. All right, good. We made it. Yes, checkpoint. Let's go. So I won't. I don't just respawn. Oh, right here. Um. No, 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 no. What happened to Mr. Mushroom? I fell. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. How do I get back up? I died. Dude, this game is kind of hard. Jump, jump, jump. Alright, good, good. Jump. Is it this? And I go here. I completely forgot the path. This is the part when I messed up. Bro, what? Where am I meant to go? What's this? Dude, where do I go? Ah! This game is kind of frustrating. I'm gonna follow them. I don't know where to go. Okay, so they go here. I see that now. Why am I so stupid? There's the torn apart house. Yeah. Um, a nice bath. What do you mean? A nice bath? Who said that? Is there like a bath, the water somewhere? Boing. Caution, spikes. Am I not meant to touch the spikes? Crap! Oh no. King Duck's party ahead, yay! Huh? Huh? Oh, let's go, let's go. Here, here, here. Wait, up here? Yeah, up there, up there, up there. Jump. I think I got it now. Yep, I got it, I got it. Okay, I can't touch the spikes, that's obvious. Alright, caution. Spikes. I almost died. Oh yeah, guys. By the way, in my last video, I did that Get Canceled Tycoon. I found out how to crap. I found out how to make an apology video on the game. You gotta like go to the couch, and then you sit down on the couch, and it does it for you. You just have to hit E or tap whatever device you're on. Oh crap! All right, I have to go back up here. All right. Nope. Jump right there. Jump right there. Jump right there. Jump right there. Climb the ladder, and then don't touch the spikes. No, not yet. Not yet. Oh no! Now I have to go across this bridge. Now I don't touch the spikes. Alright, what did I mess up last time? What the? How do I get past it? What the frick? What? No, oh my gosh. Bro. Oh no. What? No. I swear I'm going to end the video if I die again. No, wait. If I die 3 more times, I'll end the video. Are you serious? Are you serious? I hate this game. How do I do this? That sound is getting kind of annoying too. Um. No. I swear I did. I hit the wrong key. Oh my gosh. Where am I on the list? I'm right here under Asher. Okay. See ya at Swagtown. What is Swagtown? Where is that? Is that the end? No. Gosh. If I die one more time, I end the video. People are making it to the end. I'm so bad at this game. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it. No. Wait, how do I do that? Am I going the wrong way? So, I go up here. I just got here. Do I go? No? Am I meant to go up there? I forgot where I was meant to go. I think I meant to go up here. No. No! Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go rage mode. Yeah. Yep, that's it. Alright. I'm gonna smash my computer. Ah! Just kidding. I'm actually kind of mad at this game though. This is really hard. I don't know. Maybe I'm just bad at it. Am I just bad at it? Or subscribe if you think I'm just bad at it, and like if you think it's hard. Oh, okay. I'll end the video. I'm gonna tell this guy my channel. Don't for. Okay. See you guys later. Bye.